I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by using a semantic anchor element to act like a button. Use an element with href pointing to the destination URL. Add role equals button to communicate intent to assistive technologies. Ensure the element is keyboard focusable by adding tabindex equals 0 when needed. Include descriptive link text so users immediately understand the destination or action. Keep the href attribute valid, for example /page, HTML or HTTPS //example. Com to preserve native browser behavior and history navigation. Next, style the anchor to visually resemble a native button using CSS. Apply padding, border radius, background color, and box shadow to match your design system. Implement hover and focus states to provide clear visual feedback for mouse and keyboard users. Retain a visible outline or use an accessible focus ring for keyboard navigation. If the element triggers client-side behavior, attach an onClick handler and call event. Prevent default when you must avoid full navigation. Keep JavaScript unobtrusive and provide a real href fallback. Follow accessibility best practices when using link buttons in HTML. Prefer a real button element for actions that do not perform navigation. Use anchors when the primary purpose is navigation between pages or resources. Add keyboard event handlers so enter and space keys activate the element, mirroring native button behavior. Include area label when visible text is insufficient for context. Test with screen readers and keyboard-only navigation to confirm expected behavior and ensure a robust, accessible experience for all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.